Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's move on to the next question. A particle is dropped from point P, this is point Q, this is R. P, Q and R are all rough surfaces. This angle is, I might have drawn the figure inappropriately, it looks more like 60 degrees, but that doesn't matter. This angle is 30 degrees. This is H, which is given to us to be 2 meters. We are given that a point particle of mass m moves along the track and the frictional coefficient everywhere is mu. The energies lost over the parts PQ and QR are the same and it stops at R. So what is the energy at this point? mgh, which can be written as m into 10 into 2, which is 20 m. M is not given, so we'll just assume m. Right, so this is 20 m. Now, here we have energy 0 because it is at rest, and so the kinetic energy is 0 as well as the potential energy is 0 because this is H is equal to 0. Here the kinetic energy is 0, potential energy is 20. Now, between these 2 points, here half of the energy is lost and the remaining half is lost at this point. So at this point, the net energy should be 10 m. That means from P to Q, 10 m will be lost, and from Q to R, 10 m will be lost. So at Q, the energy is 10 m, but since it's at height H is equal to 0, it all has to be kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy here should be 10 m. That means the work done by friction will be minus 10 m. And the work done by friction will be minus times mu into mg, which is 10 into m into, so this is mg sine 30, this is mg cos 30. So we'll have mu mg cos theta. So 10 m into cos 30, which is root 3 by 2. And multiplied by this distance. Now how much is this distance? If this is L, L sine 30 is equal to 2. So L is equal to 4. So this distance is 4. This we are given is equal to 10 m. So from that what we get is minus 10 m. The energy lost is minus 10 m. Energy lost is 10 m. So the work done is minus 10 m. Which gives me mu is equal to 1 by 2 root 3. Which comes out to be approximately 0.29. From that, we can see that it has to be option 3 or option 4. And now we have to find the distance QR. So the work done between this distance, between Q and R, is also 10 m, the work done by friction. Now it will be mu times mg, which is m into 10, multiplied by this distance, which is the distance QR. Negative of that is equal to negative of 10 m. And now there is no cos theta because the normal is in the vertical direction. So which gives me QR is equal to 1 by mu, which is equal to 2 root 3, which is approximately 3.5. So which tells me that the answer is option 3. Mu is 0.29 and the distance QR is 3.5. This completes the solutions. Thank you.